Hi, welcome. This is a Bybit app. You will see the link in the description below, Bybit app, and you can also check my bio for the link. You see this app, you can use it to make money daily, and I'm using a new account so that whatever you are seeing on your account, you will know that whatever you are seeing on this account, you know that you can also see it on your account. This is a new account, so just for this tutorial. Now, once you open your account and you are verified, even if you are not verified, you still see what I'm showing you. Ensure you use the exact link in the description so that you'll be seeing the exact tutorial and you'll be seeing the exact description. Now, once you open, you will see all these things. Once you open your app, and the section that we are actually going to is these sections that they call, look at it here, favorites. Can you see these favorites? Can you see? So look at this hot, this part that I mark. Can you see? Can you also see new? Hot means all the apps. If you click hot now, you will see all the apps that is currently trending, those that are currently high on sales. So those are the ones that are hot. The next one after it is new, right? So new meaning that all the apps that are new, so that is what you will see after it is new. So all the apps that are new, those are gaining and those are losing, regardless of their status. So now where we are going is the next one. The next one is gainers, right? This is the next one. Gainers is where we are actually going. What are you going there to do? You see, around 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. in your country, whichever country you are listening from, but from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m., try to come here to this gainer and look for, once you come here, this is Bybit app, don't forget, and click on more. Can you see? Click on more and look at this red, but those that have this green background, can you see? It means they are currently gaining. So search for those that are below 7%. All these ones are 14%. Search for those that are below 7%. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you start seeing those that are below 7%. So search for those that are below 7% and study their movements. Look at now. This is 6%. All these are 6%. IOZ is 6%. Can you see? This one is 6p. This is 6.3%. So the next one, JTO, is 6.5%. So search that way. Now scroll down, you will see more that are below 7%. Can you see? So once pick any one of them. Pick any of them. You can study them for like 2 or 3 days. Study them for like 2 or 3 days. After studying them, this is how they fare within 24 hours. This is what they've done within 24 hours. Study them within 2 or 3 days. After studying them within 2 or 3 days, imagine something that is 4%, that have gained 4%. Imagine it eventually gaining like 30%, 40% after you have invested. That is massive. So that is what you will be doing on that aspect. So try as much as possible. Then how do you make money from them? Now let's say, for instance, after in this gainer, I'm choosing this Zora, for instance. Let's say I'm just giving an example. See, this Zora have already done 75%. Imagine those that bought it when it was 3%. So you will now click, don't forget this is a new account I'm using. You will click on the green. You will click on this green icon. Just click on it. See, once you click on it, so you will be able to buy it. Ensure you have USDT on your account before you buy it. Then you click buy. Can you see this buy? You will click buy. So once you click buy, under this buy, not limit, now you come to markets. Can you see? You will click market. If you have USDT available, then the amount of USDT you want to buy, you will put it there. USDT is like dollar currency. Let's say I have $2 there. You will just put $2, for instance. That is 2 USDT. So you put the value in USDT there. Now once you are done doing all these things, the next thing that you will do is that you will click buy. they will tell you the amount of Zora this your 2 USDT can buy. You understand? So then you click buy. From there you'll be able to buy. And one thing you should be doing is that be monitoring the price. After you have purchased it, ensure you are monitoring the price. If you are not monitoring the price, you will not know when it gains and when it loses. For instance, now if you just want it to be 10% from 4%, once it's 10%, you will come back again, you will click on it again. Once you click on it again, this time you'll be clicking sell, not buy. You understand? You click sell, not buy. So this is how you can tap into Bybit to also make money for yourself. So this way you will be making money for yourself, because definitely you will not lose your money, because even if it is going down, you wait for it to come back to that spot where you bought for you to withdraw back your money. You understand? I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching. Try to follow, subscribe, and also check the link in the descriptions to register for Bybit. Bybit is an app. You can go to so just try to check the link in the descriptions to register. Have a great day.